Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to draw area conversion, where we have to convert rectangle into a triangle. So let's draw side AB 50 mm. And side AD 30 mm. See, so first we need to draw a rectangle, and then we need to convert this rectangle into a triangle of equal area. So this is ABCD. You extend the height. First we'll do the dimensioning. Okay, after drawing the rectangle, if you want to convert this into a triangle, see, area of rectangle is what? Base into height. We want to equate to triangle. We want to keep again base and height. Now in this I am keeping the, now in this B into H, area of rectangle is equal to half into base into height. B capital, H capital. So these two are area. We want to equal, right? If I keep base same, so then it will get cancelled. Then height of triangle is equal to twice the height of rectangle. So whenever you have a rectangle and you want to convert into a triangle, you will double the height. This calculation is only for your reference. See this, double the height when we are keeping the base same. Then I need to write area of triangle ABO. AOB is equal to area of rectangle ABCD. Now we will do one more possibility in this. Again we'll draw one rectangle. Again it is ABCD. Now I will take height on the right hand side. Earlier I had taken on left hand side. Now I'll take it on right hand side. See, double the height. So you can draw it this way or this way. Now there is one more possibility. This is ABCD. You bisect AB. Take this height, go up. So you can take in the middle also. So you can draw, when they say convert rectangle into a triangle, you can draw any three of the possibility, whichever you like. Now there is one more possibility. Again I will draw a rectangle. 50 by 30. Let's say this is base into height, right? Now instead of doubling the height, if I want to double the base, see this, in the same formula, instead of height, if I'll increase base, then it will be this way. Then also it is correct. This is ABCD and AOD. Double the base. So you can do this way also. You can double the base also. See, area of rectangle is what? Base into height. Area of triangle is half base into height. Height we are keeping constant. So base of triangle is twice base of rectangle. So instead of a rectangle, if you have a parallelogram, ABCD. So what you do? Again you bisect AB. And we'll do double the height. So area of triangle AOB is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD. For this triangle, area of triangle ABO. See all this, if I'll write this as B and this as D, then I can write common area of triangle AOB is equal to area of rectangle ABCD, or in the earlier case, parallelogram. Thank you.